We all dream of the day when we receive the keys to our first house. The excitement of making new memories fills each square foot of your family's new home. But in order to get to this point, we all have questions about the process of buying our first home. So let's take a look at our home buyer's guide filled with great professional tips on the home buying experience in its entirety. First things first, at the top of your list should be what's important to you. This can be achieved by defining your goals and expectations. Define your wants versus your must-haves to determine which combination of features is most important to you, such as how many bedrooms, bathrooms, square feet, yard size, and so on. Clarifying your priorities about your future home and community, in addition to house size, style of the house, condition, and location, all help with a smoother home buying process. So if you know you're looking for a modern single-family home that's a new build in a rural area, it makes the process that much easier. Now it's time to find the easiest course of action in searching for your future home. In this day and age, the use of a powerful all-in-one mobile app is imperative for the home search process, such as the John L. Scott's mobile app that allows you to take control of your home search process anywhere, anytime, with features such as see all listings from all companies, create search boundaries by community, neighborhood, or favorite school, customize search criteria, along with seeing larger and more detailed listing information. But the most popular aspect of this incredible app is the Property Tracker feature. By creating a Property Tracker account, you can create and manage your account through your personal Property Tracker dashboard. Here you can create and save searches, receive instant notification of new listings via text or email, save your favorites, take notes, rate your favorites, receive status and price updates. Your new Property Tracker account leads us to the next step, which is understanding key marketing strategies. This can be done with another powerful feature of Property Tracker, named Market Insights. This feature analyzes monthly market activity and trends, then sends you tips and insights based on your account customization. Another aspect of today's market strategies is understanding the yearly housing cycle. Because the real estate market is seasonal, it's important that you know how supply and demand in each specific phase affect pricing strategies. For instance, January and February is the New Year kickoff. March and April is the spring market. May and June is pre-summer. July and August is the summer market. September and October is the fall market. And November and December is the winter market. But the best time to buy a home is when the timing is right for you. Next up is interpreting the data in relation to sales activity intensity. At this point of your home buying journey, it's widely recommended to have a professional guide you through the data and statistics to help you make an informed, educated, and confident choice throughout your home buying process. A professional knows the key market indicators and sales activity intensity by price range for your search area. They can help you evaluate the velocity of the current market and develop a great pricing and offer strategy. Now, let's take a look at how to finance your future home by partnering with a lender. It's very important to have a trusted professional partner with you and your lender to position you in the best light when competing with other offers. This will also provide any seller with a high sense of certainty when reviewing your offer. Having a trusted advisor and advocate on your side, providing exceptional service, will bring exceptional results. A trusted real estate advisor and advocate will analyze recently sold data to help you determine the best offer price, while guiding you through selecting the appropriate paperwork and negotiate the most favorable buyer terms on your behalf. You should always feel fully represented throughout the entire process. Now, on to the last step, the home purchase process. Let's look at managing the transaction and timelines. You'll want a professional that will anticipate and communicate with you regarding contingency timelines, inspections, title review, appraisal, and escrow for a successful closing and a timely move. Having an experienced professional from the moment you begin your search to the day you receive your keys is an integral part of the home buying process. If you have questions about any of the topics in the video, feel free to give us a call. Our contact information is in the description below. We at John L. Scott would be honored to be the professional that's by your side through your first home buying experience. We take pride in helping Salem area families turn houses into homes. Thanks for watching.